by Margaret Morales in size 60 by 75 cm rounds. Version 1 special treatment starts with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled in the background. So it's up to you where you would like to add more sparkle, but simply place it on the white background of the picture. Twinkle by Margaret Morales in 60 by 75 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled on the blue areas of the picture. So that would be over here, as well as in the sky, and also some on her blue hair. Twinkle by Margaret Morales in 60 by 75 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds gold crystals that we have placed on all of the gold areas in the picture, and that would be the moon or the jewel on her forehead together with the stars around her. So simply sprinkle it if you want a more subtle gold crystal look, but you can also choose to fill in only some of the stars or fill in all of the stars and also that jewel on her forehead if you'd like to get this same look. And this is for Twinkle version 3 special treatment. You get gold crystals as well as electric diamonds for the background and also sapphire diamonds for the blue areas in the picture.